If you don't know how to talk about your personal favorite movies in English, then in today's video you will definitely learn. Because in today's video I am going to talk about my personal favorite movie in English just by following 5 simple steps. And you will see how effortlessly I will speak without my mind going blank. Okay, this is not a scripted video. But before that I want to tell you my name is Ajit and I am from Jharkhand. Okay, and welcome back to day 6 of a Speak English with AI challenge series. So without wasting time, now let me talk about the movie. So recently I watched a movie called Braveheart. It is a Hollywood movie and I really love this movie a lot. So the story begins like this. This is a completely historical war based movie, the fight between England and Scotland. So William Wallace, he is the main character of this movie. William Wallace, he lost his parents in a war between England and Scotland. So he became completely helpless and somehow he grew up and started feeling like, oh my god, nobody is around me. How can I survive? And somehow he managed to survive himself. And after that, he was emotionally damaged. He had no any goal, no any future, nothing like that. He was like a dead body. And after that, there was a so beautiful girl in the society he saw, and oh my god, how beautiful it's she. And he fell in love with the girl. The girl really liked the William Wallace because William Wallace, he was good looking, tall, handsome. So they both liked each other and started meeting near a village. There was a river and surrounded by the nature beauty. So every day they used to meet, talk, and everything. So the rulers, they used to rule the Scotland, the society where William Wallace and his girlfriend used to live. The William Wallace realized one day, like, oh my god, in my society the rule is once I get married to my girlfriend, then I will have to share her to all the rulers, which is completely bad. I dislike in this movie. This is the completely bad rule. So after that, what happened? William Wallace, he got married to the girl secretly, and every day they meet to the same place, but they didn't reveal the secrets that we are married. Otherwise, they will have to pay off for this. One day, what happened? There was a ruler. He started chasing William Wallace's girlfriend because she was so beautiful. He wanted to do something with her, which was completely bad. So the girl somehow she managed herself and escaped from there. Then William Wallace, they started fighting and said to his girlfriend, I'll meet you to the same place, so just go away from there. The girl, she was going away, but one ruler, he caught her, and after that they killed completely. This is again the worst scene in the movie. William Wallace, he again felt like, oh my god, I lost everything because I lost my parents in the war, I lost my sister's family. Now the girlfriend, she was the only hope. I completely lost her. Then again, he took revenge. The person who killed his girlfriend, he the same way he killed him, and then he became the leader of the society and said to all the villagers that now we will have to fight against all these Englandian rulers. Okay, he motivated everyone, gave a great speech, and then everybody had goosebumps and said, okay, I'm with you. So now the story took a different mode. It is now very inspirational. Then finally, the William Wallace, he won the war against England and became the Scotland became the freedom land again. The story is really an emotional. My recommendation would be must watch this movie once at least, so that you can feel the theme, the music. I personally love music a lot, the theme music. So once I cannot upload it on YouTube, the music, otherwise I'll get a copyright. Every day when I go to sleep, I listen to the music and I feel as if, oh my god, I am in heaven, next place, okay, next level feeling. So you can see I am just alone in the jungle, but I have the same feeling. I am very motivated and inspired. I feel as if, yes, this is my world. I have to now enjoy it. So friends, music is our part of life. Okay, music is not just for fun, it is emotional connection. if you feel like yes, music, it is something like healing. It will heal you from inside. You will reduce all your depression, tension, everything, anxiety, when once you listen to your favorite music. So my favorite music is like Braveheart music, and then Gladiator movie. Every day I listen, it's my favorite music. So now I want to tell you the 5 key points what I personally followed while speaking this story. Firstly, I talked about the story name. After that, you can talk about the story based on, as I said, the like a Scotland and England like historical war based movie. Then thirdly, I talked about the story begins like this, William Wallace the main character, so you can talk about the main character, and then now you can gradually move towards the main story. And finally you can talk about what you did dislike in this movie and what you like the most. So I liked the courage, the bravery, and then I disliked the you will have to share your girlfriend, your wife to the rulers, which was completely bad, and the girl, she completely cut off her head. So these are the thing I dislike. But apart from that, I personally liked the music as well too much. It is my personal recommendation for you. So finally you can give the personal recommendation like yes, this movie was really so nice, you must watch this. If your personal experience is good, then you can say it to others, right? So this is how I spoke on this movie. So my friends, if you want to speak, then just follow these 5 simple steps. And apart from that, if you want me to speak personally or talk about any of your personal favorite movie, then you can just comment me below. I will see in the comment box, and again I'll tell you the story. I will show you the key points step by step. After that you will able to speak English fluently and confidently. Okay, so this is how you can talk about any movies in the world. Okay my friends, and if you want to see the beauty where I am recording the video from, then okay, let me show you. So this is the beauty you can see. Okay, I don't know, I am taking it from the front camera, I am behind the camera, so let's enjoy the scene. I hope you enjoyed.